Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we will see how we can define or configure a custom segment label. So, before we jump into how to configure a custom segment label, let us understand the business scenario. Say we are the global tech company which sells hardware, software, and consulting services. And now our client wants to run separate P&L account, P&L statements for each product line. Now we define a segment called product in the chart of accounts, and we create a custom segment label called product line. And by tagging the segment with this label, Oracle automatically routes product specific data into Oracle transactional business intelligence cubes. Executives can immediately build drag and drop dashboards to analyze global product revenues. Now, let us see how you can define one. Click on your username, click on setup and maintenance, click on task list, click on global search. Now, search for the task called manage key flex fields. Open the task manage key flex fields. Click on search, select general ledger accounting flex field. Click on actions. Now click on manage segment labels. To create a new record, click on plus icon or add row. Now give the segment label code ERPZEN underscore product underscore line. ERPZEN product ERPZEN product line. And you can give the BI object name. Now click on save to save the record. Click on save and close. Now click on deploy flex field. What is the error? No required label. Even without deployment also we can see. Now click on done. Click on done. Search for the task called chart of accounts structures. Manage chart of account structures. Click on manage structures. Now click on search. Search for your structure. Yes, this is our structure. Now click on edit. Now if you see product, if you click on edit, we are not having any segment labels, but here you can see ERPZEN product, and here if you add this segment, now click on save and close. Yes, save and close. Now click on save and close. Now click on done. Click on done, click on home. Now if you run the P&L statements, you can fetch all the details related to that product. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.